back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am Kanika and today we're gonna do a easy smoky eye tutorial for the beginners. All the products that I'll be using in today's video are easily available and beginner friendly as well. Also, I'll link all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that every time I put up a new video, you guys get notified about that. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the video.
कंसीलर की जगह आप कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग द ऑरिफ्लेम कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. Now to start with the eyeshadow, I'll use the Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette. Now I'll take a lighter brown shade for creating a transition and to build the base for my smoky eye. I'll just apply this transition shade and keep it above my crease. Now I'll take the darker shade and apply it on my crease and start building the depth for my smoky eye. I will also apply some of the darker shade on my eyelids and blend it smoothly. Now I'll use a kajal to create the black part of my smoky eye. Now I am applying the kajal on my upper lids close to the upper lash line. Later on, I'll smoke it out using an eyeshadow brush. While you are smoking it out, make sure that you do not smudge it in the outer corner of your eyes or the inner corners, otherwise your eyes will become totally black. Now I will again use the darker brown shade and blend it well with the black kajal. I'll quickly repeat the same process on my other eye as well. After getting over with the eyeshadow, I am using this kajal again to create a kohl eyes on my lower lashes. Now it's time to smudge out the kajal that I have applied in my lower lash line. This will give me a kohl eye look.
So this was it for today, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to smash the like button and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And if you want any other such beginner friendly makeup videos, I'll definitely do it for you guys. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram. I'll keep the handle on the screen. See you guys in my next video. Bye.